Okay, hello guys, and I'm checking out my cousin's dinosaur toys, so let's see. This Spinosaurus, what I've got, the name is Spinosaurus, and it used its fin to have like, so it doesn't feel very warm like the others, and it could scratch its claws as well, and it had huge feet. And had a long mouth like a crocodile. Its weapons, bite and the claw. Yeah. And here we have the Orcosaurus. It's a saurocarnotaur, but it had little tiny arms, as you could see. And it's red all along to the tail, a bit on the legs as well. And you see it has no horns because it's not a Carnotaurus. Its weapon was bite because look, its useless arms was like nothing for, and it had huge feet as well. This one had. Wait, I need to put the ones that I did there. Okay, here we have like a Ceratosaurus with the horn, and there's like it's like a tiger, but it's like a tiger but a dinosaur, and the black stripes. I really like the design on this one because it's very awesome, and the weapon was bite. Loads of the weapons were bite. The Stegosaurus, what could I say about you? Black plates, some black bits on it, and it's purple, and it used its spiky tail to whack enemies, and it ate plants, not meat, because it's not a meat eater as the others. Now, the big Ceratosaur. I love the spikes, has purple bits on it. It has a red tummy all down here. It's a blackish one. I really like this one, and its weapon was bite, like the little one of it. Okay, here we have the Triceratops. This is a very cool one. It is black. It has a yellow belly, and the frill was like for protecting, and it was ginormous, and the weapons was the horns on it, and it ate plants. Now the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the arms were useless like the Orcosaurus, and it has like green bits like here, but yellow bits here. The tummy, purple. And the feet were enormous. Little arms and giant feet. And its weapon was bite. Here we have, what could this dinosaur even be? I'll just go with Brachiosaurus because it looks like a Brachiosaurus. Here we have a Brachiosaurus with, like, it's doing a pose like walking, and it has like a cream belly here, and the green neck bit, and the weapons, it used its front legs to bang the enemy on the floor, and it used its tail to whip it as well. Here we have a Velociraptor. The Velociraptor is absolutely red, like a maroon scaling right there, a yellow eye, a orange belly, and it was a meat eater, and the weapons was claw and the toe claws, and bite as well. The Pachycephalosaurus Has red eyes, absolutely bright orange, and it was a plania, and the weapons, it headbutted dinosaurs, and it used competitions against other pachycephalosaurs. Here we have a diplodocus with a black here, but a kind of darkish blue here, and a cream belly, and a kind of long neck with a red eye over there, and it used the same like the brachiosaur, this and the white swipe, and it was a plania as well. Here we have a Gastonia, I think it's called. It's a sort of ankylosaur, but without the club and without much armour on it. It was a Planeta, and I think it used its feet to fight the little dinos, and it used its tail, I think, as well. I don't know much about Gastonias. Here we've got a Styracosaurus. Think of like magenta here and magenta here. And a orange at the back of him. And the weapon was the horn, of course. And it was a Planeta. Here we have the other Diplodocus, the same as the other one that I reviewed, but it's much more lighter or heavier. Here we have a Dino Valley one. If you've seen my videos with my Styracosaurus, what I've got, but this is my cousin one. So he roared like this sometimes. There's an awesome horn and awesome stuff on him, and he has like a brownish belly, and he's doing like a pose right here, like that, and he can nod his head up and down, and has red bits here, and you know the horn was like for damage, and yeah, it was a Plania as well. Here we have a Amargasaurus, which is very cool. The Amargasaurus, it was like an Argentinosaurus, basically, but not like the same size. It's like blue, like very light blue, and red and black stripes as well, and like a creamy belly as well. And it was a Plania, and it done this and the swipe.
Oh, don't make me cry. Have you got a donut? No. Oh.
Here we have a Triceratops again. You know what it does. Okay. And here we have it's actually a Velociraptor, but I call it a Megaraptor. So the Megaraptor had hands for claws, and it had a bite, and the toe claws, the reddish like the Velociraptor, and the black, and this yellow eye as well. Weapons: claw, bite, toe claw as well. But remember, I need to go through the box as well as that box. We have a smaller Styracosaurus. I don't know why it has teeth, though, but it has a little horn, and the same as the other one exactly. Here we have my most favourite colour of all, with the Spinosaurus. It has yellow teeth. I love the yellow teeth of it. It has like grey turning into black, and orange on the spine. It's light blue from Jurassic Park, the logo, as you can see there. And it used it, and the weapons, bite and clawing as well. Yeah, very cool detail on this guy. Here we have Stegosaurus, which was a...
Coming down.
Okay, he's coming.
Hello.
Good
Back
boy.
off, back off. And here we have Stegosaurus. It was a plant eater. It's a dark greenish one, cream belly, and it used its tail to swipe as well.
Emma, what time did the money leave your account with?
I think this one is a Utah raptor. It has a giant toe claw, claws to swipe and bite, and toe claw.
Why?
Has a cream belly, a green eye, and it's brownish and oranges.
Come on, Stanley.
I usually call this one the Novoraptor because it looks like one. I don't know what a Novoraptor looks like. I know it looks like a Velociraptor though. So it used its claws and has no toe claw. No toe claw. And it has a little horn here and like a frill here. It could bite and claw. Very cool detail on it though. Very cool detail. And belly, like a whitish, greyish, blackish.
And then the last dinosaur.
But not actually the last one, like the one last that which is out. The Brachiosaurus, the gooder one. It's a grey one, like an orangish, creamish belly up to the neck. It was a plant eater and it done this and the swipe. Yeah, it's cool. And over here, this one is broke though, but don't get mad because I know it's broke, but it might look cool if it had like its face back. See, look, I think this used to be a T-Rex, my cousin said. This looks broke. Yeah. But it was a meat eater and tiny little arms, big feet, and it used bite as well. Find a dino. Come on, dinos. Aha, found one. Here, a Iguanodon. I think this used to move somehow.
It had batteries.
Huh?
It had batteries.
Oh, it had batteries, my cousin said right now. So, has like a purplish back and like a creamish whole body. Aha. Here's a other Styracosaur like the same one as this one. See. Oh god, I like this one. It's from Jurassic Park. I didn't even notice. Smells kind of weird. Though, but it's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. There's a furry body here. I don't know where did my cousin get it from, but it looks awesome. It's the male T-Rex. It is. I think if they put it the furry ball away, it would be much cooler if the body was there. So that's all of that. Oh, and this one. I think we need to like wind this up.
You wind it up, yeah.
But then it'll like...
If you wind it up and then put it down, it starts walking with its feet and arms. No, its arms, feet.
Let's see if it works, guys. Oh, cool, it does work.
Although it's better on like wood and stuff.
Okay.
Because this is carpet, it's been
This
bad.
still works. Okay, just let that do its thing. Oh, there's a snake. Oh, what dinos are there? Oh, another Orcasaurus. wait guys, I just need to do something. Okay. Oh, I found that dino. I found a little one. It's a Plesiosaurus. It's got a cream belly and there's a grey detail on it. I like the ones that are kind of plain. It's made in China. Plesiosaur. And it swam in water. It was a meat eater, but it was easily killed by like dinos with like mouth, like bigger mouths, like
Liopleurodon.
Yeah, Liopleurodon and Megalodon and Mosasaurus, Kronosaurus. Because it had a long neck, it was easy to kill.
Also, those like sort of big type fish that were like swordtails. They started with I.
Ichthyosaurus.
Yeah, that. They could like stab it and stuff. So.
Yeah. Okay. Found one. Oh god, I love this one already. Here we have a nice Carnotaurus. It's like all dark green, a grey belly down the bottom, a red eye, and the horns. The horn. I don't know what the horns for. Maybe for like
Attack. Like defense, maybe.
Maybe defense, and and the weapons was bite, and it had little arms, and it was useless. And big feet like the T-Rex.
Also, I think the horns could have been like for scaring them away, like more, you know.
Oh, and this guy. It's kind of weird because this used to be a big Dilophosaur.
If it had a head, it would be better.
Yeah, but now it's just gone. It's just a piece of garbage. I don't know why. And guys, this one will be a long review. If you have a stego, I think it's losing a plate here.
Yes, it is.
But that's supposed to be there. Has a cream belly. What is it with the cream bellies today?
I don't know.
Green body and like grey plates, and Stegosaurus plania, and it used its spikes to attack. Who's this? And guys, I found the head of him.
Woohoo!
I found it.
Put it on it.
I think it snapped, but it looks like this.
What the dinosaur used to be, if the head was actually put on, is that.
Yeah, it'll look cooler. Like that.
It's that dinosaur when it's like trying to like threaten and stuff.
Yeah, it was actually a Dilophosaur, but now it's gone.
I'll try and put it on in a minute.
Oh yeah, I found a little dino here.
And the miniest dino I've ever seen.
We got a little Velociraptor, and you know what the attacks are like and the details. You can find out yourselves. Oh, I think I found a dino. Yeah, this is another iguanodon with like a white bit of stripes there, and like brown, and with a cream belly, and the spikes on it as well. And it was a plania, and it was attack. You could just do this. If a little dino was there, it would just go like this up, like that. So yeah. Oh, and I found this little guy. This little stego. Little stego.
If you put it in water, it grows bigger.
I didn't even know that.
It used to be in an egg and it hatched, and then you put it.
I had the T-Rex one.
Yeah, I know, the big egg. Has that hatched?
Yeah.
Oh, what? What did it look like?
Like a orange one. It was orange.
Orange. Wow. That is cool.
Oh guys, I found one.
Is this the last
I think
one?
I've got the smaller version of this, but I think my cousin's got a bigger version.
Should put this as the last one.
It's made in China.
Made in China. Yeah.
And let's talk about the detail. It's like got a red
Should this be the last one?
body, yeah, and has a cream wings body. I mean the belly red, and the prey was like dead dinosaurs, dead dinos. And sometimes it took babies as well. And it could, and if you was up a mountain, it could grab you and drop you, and you'll be dead. So you should watch out for this guy. He's kind of dangerous. So that's it for the review today, guys. And see you next time on the next video.